All right, so you want to learn about how to keep your Bitcoin safe?
Yeah,
Well, you've come to the right place.
definitely.
We're going to be using this pasted text
Mm-hmm.
as our source material today and going deep into how to safely store your Bitcoin.
It's a good one.
Yeah, it's not just about picking a digital wallet.
Right.
There's a lot more to it,
Oh, absolutely.
like a whole world of considerations that can make or break your security.
Yeah, it really is like
Yeah.
like building a house, you know?
Okay.
You don't just focus on the front door.
Right.
You got to think about the foundation, the walls, the
Yeah.
locks on every window.
The whole 9 yards.
Yeah, Bitcoin storage is similar.
Mhm.
It's about layers of protection.
I like that analogy.
Thanks.
Okay, let's start with the foundation.
Okay.
Hot wallets versus cold wallets.
Right.
I get the basic idea, I think.
Yeah.
But what surprised me in this pasted text was that a study found that almost 20% of all Bitcoin stolen in 2023
Wow.
was taken from hot wallets. That's a pretty compelling reason to understand the difference.
It is a hot wallet because it's connected to the internet.
Right.
It is inherently more vulnerable.
Yeah.
Think of it like your private keys.
Okay.
The codes that prove you own your Bitcoin.
Mm-hmm.
They're exposed online.
Uh-huh.
So anyone with access to those keys
Right.
can potentially control your funds.
Okay, so cold wallets take those keys offline.
Exactly.
But how do they do that?
Well, Cold Wallet stores your private keys offline,
Okay.
disconnected from the internet.
Mm-hmm.
Hardware wallets, for example, are
Right.
like little vaults that generate and store your keys.
Gotcha.
They never expose those keys to the online world
Unless...
unless you physically connect them to a device to authorize a transaction.
So a hardware wallet
Yeah.
adds that extra layer of security.
Exactly.
So what about other security practices?
Sure.
This pasted text also mentioned multi-signature wallets.
Okay.
What are those all about?
So multi-signature wallets are like having multiple locks on your vault.
Okay.
Let's say you require 3 keys to authorize a transaction,
Mm-hmm.
and you keep each key on a separate device.
Right.
Or even with a trusted third party.
Uh-huh.
That way, even if one key is compromised, your funds are still safe.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Mm.
But even with the most secure wallet,
Yeah.
what happens if you forget your password or lose the device?
Oh,
This
yeah.
is where I start to get nervous.
I understand it's a big fear.
Yeah.
That's why backups are absolutely crucial.
Okay.
This pasted text really emphasizes that most wallets will give you a seed phrase,
Okay.
a list of words that represent your private keys.
Right.
You need to keep this seed phrase safe and secure
Okay.
because it's the master key to restoring your wallet if anything happens to your device.
So write it down, keep it somewhere safe.
Yeah.
Maybe even memorize it if
Yeah.
you're feeling extra cautious.
Yeah.
But what about these custodial versus non-custodial wallets I keep hearing about?
Right. So that's a key distinction.
Okay.
A custodial wallet is like leaving your money in a bank.
Okay.
Someone else holds your private keys for you.
So you're not actually in control.
Exactly. Might be convenient,
Yeah.
but you're trusting them with your security.
Right.
A non-custodial wallet means you have sole control of your private keys,
Mhm.
giving you complete ownership and responsibility.
So you're trading convenience for control.
Yeah,
A lot to think about.
there is.
What stands out to you as the most important takeaway for our listener who's trying to navigate all of this?
I'd say it's this.
Okay.
Understanding the level of control and responsibility that comes with owning Bitcoin.
Right.
You're not just buying an asset.
Yeah.
You're entering a new financial system
Okay.
with its own set of rules
Uh-huh.
that's both empowering and a bit daunting.
It is.
But with knowledge comes security.
Couldn't agree more. So as we wrap up, here's a question for you to ponder. As more and more people adopt cryptocurrencies, how do you think our traditional notions of financial security will evolve?
That's a great question.
This deep dive is just the beginning of your journey.
Absolutely.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
And we'll see you next time.
See ya.
All right, so